Hi guys, welcome to Studies SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to know about the list views in Salesforce. What is list views? List views are just like spreadsheets. User can see set of records that is up to 2000 of an object in a single page and can be filtered to view the specific set of records and share those views to particular public group, roles and subordinates. It has three types: table view, Kanban view, split view. We will see this one by one in demo. I take an opportunity object, click here, display as table. Table view is just like rows and columns in the spreadsheet. The rows have record values and columns have field names. Inline editing is available in table view only. Then Kanban view. It is like graphical representation of record view and the user can easily drag and drop the records to another field. The Kanban view arranges based on summarization by and group by settings. Here by choosing the group by, we can change the properties. Now we can see the Kanban view has grouped based on lead source. Next, split view. It is like a side-by-side view of records. Left side shows the record information for that object. If you click any record, then it will show full details in the right side pane. These are all the three types of list views in Salesforce. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.